In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Tableau dashboard, guiding you through each step detailed so you can confidently share your insights with others in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser and search for Tableau. Once the search results appear, locate the official Tableau website and click on it. This will take you directly to their homepage where you can access various features and products offered by Tableau. When you arrive on the Tableau website, look towards the top of the page and find the Products tab. Click on it. This is where you will see the full suite of Tableau products available to you. For this tutorial, we're focusing on Tableau Cloud, so go ahead and select that option. Tableau Cloud is an excellent choice for those who need easy accessibility and sharing options, as it allows you to access your dashboards online. Once you're on the Tableau Cloud page, the next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, which should be prominently displayed. Clicking on this will redirect you to the login page. Now, enter your username. Ensure you type it accurately to prevent any login issues. Once your username is entered, proceed by clicking the Sign In button. After successfully logging into your Tableau account, it's time to select the dashboard you wish to share. Navigate to the Dashboard section and browse through your saved visualizations. Click on the specific dashboard that you want to share with your audience. Once your chosen dashboard is open on your screen, you'll notice a Share button, typically located in the upper right corner of the interface. Click on it to open the sharing options. With the sharing menu open, you will see various methods for sharing your dashboard. The simplest way to share is by copying the link to your dashboard. Click on Copy Link, which will automatically copy the URL to your clipboard. Now that you have the link, it's incredibly easy to distribute your dashboard. Paste this link into an email, a message, or any platform where you communicate with your audience, whether that's through a direct message or a team collaboration tool. Sharing in this manner provides direct access to your dashboard for anyone you choose to send the link to, enabling them to explore the data and insights at their convenience. And there you have it, a straightforward way to share your Tableau dashboard efficiently and effectively. It's a powerful tool that helps in communicating data-driven insights to your team or stakeholders seamlessly. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips and guides. Happy sharing!